This is what you want to do to make dark and darker play better. So just like how this is on the E drive, got that DX cache there, and over here got multiple folders. So we would just move that one. Oops. We know we got that one on hand. Let's take another. It'd probably create these folders on its own. We'll do it the hard way. Go AMD. We'll do. We know we had one called DXC cache. That corresponds to this. D3DS. And there's DXC cache. And there's stuff in there. It's big stuff for the game. So link creates an imaginary folder. This is the DXC, just like I deleted right there. That goes to E, DXC. J is a junction. So DIRE. There's a bunch of stuff in there, big stuff. You don't want that on the Windows drive. You know, that Windows drive is being accessed by so much stuff, so you don't want that there. You think, well, oh, the overhead for the CPU is too much with all these hard drives. No. The hard drive's chip can't do those computations. That's why my Windows is so good. So then we just I don't even know what that stuff is. You know what I mean? It's obviously logs. E cache. So you need the folder there before you link anything to it. Copy CN E cache. Copy. Might be some stuff in use. If you do retry one. That's the other thing. it's RW. That's how long it waits to retry. So we just did one folder. The thing about mine is that it overwrites, so I have to do it all. It's because there's no copy and paste. There's no memory saving what I type. There. There. You can do this with Windows stuff. Like there's 10 different Edge DLL files, and you just delete all 9 of them and then leave one. Tell all the other folders that they're looking for it somewhere else where the file is. DISM tool can't even do that. It's pretty good. So is it all safe to delete? Is it? So there's like less computations on the drive itself because everything's in one folder. There's the CN. If they're in use, just go boot to another Windows. Someone said, all that work and gutting your computer just for 1 frame per second. Crazy. Notice the ones in the original folder, which I thought had the biggest stuff. There's like 3 of them. I just noticed one today. 25 megabytes only. Probably for Steam or something. We just go like this. And we see there isn't really anything left. There's just that's an old cache. So, you know, I was going to do the whole AMD folder. That's pretty much it. There's no other, you know. This is just loaded. This is like full new stuff. There's the main big one right there, the DXC. So I basically just did this one and that one. So you can see that one's there, and then the other one was inside the AMD folder. So one of them's for Windows, the other is for, either way, they're huge files, don't belong on a, originally a 30 gigabyte SSD had my Windows. I have a 120 today, but I still treat it like it doesn't want a bunch of stuff going on. So if you wanted to, like, you know, you got this assembly folder right here. Okay, the assembly's not that big anymore, but this one is. It'll take a while to do that. Get the properties of 50,000 files. Most of this stuff we don't need. I'm still working on getting rid of it all for not really officially available Windows, but you know, probably the best one that you can get. There's tons of programs that do this, so if you wanted your two or 3 gigs back, you know, robocopy. If you're in the folder, you just type it. Obviously, you'd have to make that folder MeKLiN first. Delete the folder. Windows doesn't care where that stuff is. It doesn't even really use it. You know, you could likely put that on a DVD, and then you know for sure Windows isn't changing anything. Your computer starts spitting up its DVD drive in the middle of the night. Like, I tricked you. I knew you would access there. Just put a rock inside it so it scratches it. So that's how you move the cache. You know, it's constantly reading from there. And we put our games on another drive. But is there anyone on the whole internet that thinks about, like, anything, like, thoroughly? Like, devoted an hour of their day trying to ponder the, you know, inner workings? So I don't think there is. You know, we could run, I had just run process monitor, so actually I restarted, but you could run, say, folder changes view, and just watch when you open a game or something. Steam's awful, and you can see what they're doing with log files and stuff. A lot of it's in C drive. You wouldn't want to ruin a good drive with that. None of this stuff would make the game faster by moving it. So we can see that Steam itself is over there on the faster E drive. It's just like a browser, so it's just constantly loading temp files and such. Let's just open Dota and see that it's doing something with the shaders. You know, there's going to be new things. For the actual files for the game is not important. What it does with those files is generate the image maps or whatever. So we'll probably start to see some stuff go in the direct cache, directx. I'm sure they don't mind that I'm running this. What's that? I've never seen Dota do all that. Game recording.pb. It's recording me. Let's see if I'm cheating. Okay, that's not good. That. Nice. Great, new video card crashes all the time. I do something. I have no idea. Messing with this reg key here. Just keep searching for this. I added the scheduler, and when you add the key, it looks for us as query open key, and it shows the values. That's supposed to be a D word or something. I don't know. I tried. Oh, game mode NA. Turbo sync. Game mode. Looks like this one has a game mode. Yeah, you'll find tons of not found stuff that you could do with your GPU that most people have no idea what it does. So it's definitely this stuff. I thought it might be like a game setting. I have registry keys for everything that could appear in there. I'm pretty sure it's the application. It's not going to search that while I'm in a game. Yeah, it knows it crashes. It knows it's been crashing. See? That's amazing. You buy new parts from them, they're still just doing the same thing. was going to name this video how to, you know, get better response time from your GPU. Now I think I'm going to name it that second generation of gamers in a row scammed by AMD for millions and millions of dollars by globalist scum. And if you post about globalist scum in the Dark and Darker forum, the Steam mods ban you from the forum. Someone should find out who those people are and who makes the agenda that they moderate the forums on. Dude, what a garbage GPU. So I can do the undervolt thing. Try again. Look at the clock speed on that. It's almost faster than my CPU. The fan's not even on. Maybe that's a problem. Just turn the power down. That's a good idea. Yeah, there we go. It's even slower here. That's good. It may be the PSU this time. You know, it's a new part, so it would never do this in the game. It would never go that high. Doesn't need to. Not with the RDNA RAM built in. So I recently took some settings off of here. This doesn't work. That doesn't even work in Rust. These work. So I took off SM4. Put that back on. I took off WinXP. I don't use DX11, but I'm about to try it. So try it on this card yet. There's a couple more for my posts on Dark and Darker forum. It's probably one of the only things that I posted and delete. This guy doesn't even have a Reddit account. He won't use a Discord to post bugs. Use a Discord. It's like it's Solar Bears, like viewers, just like live in the chat. Nice Discord. I don't think so. There's a Steam shortcut, you know. Spaces between everything. You don't even need this. How many handles Steam uses? Well, actually, Radeon's doing that. Radeon screwed up. Close that piece of crap program. It's probably trying to do something it can't do because I disabled it. There's probably some different. Oops, don't have them. Don't have any here either. They're supposed to be there. Nice cloud. Really worked out. So I didn't open Quake program or the memory timing program, so I just go here since I can't do anything. Just a black screen, Can't press Control Delete. Nothing works. That's called the emergency key. Secure Attention Sequence, SAS. There is no memory saved waiting for you to press that. Imagine if it was a website and there's like 900 little JavaScript functions that are waiting for you to press enter. Like, you have a full damn app. It's 50 megabytes, uses like 200 megs of RAM. Why would you want that? I just disabled even more stuff. About to see right here. Okay, so it doesn't look any different. It's supposed to be the Windows 10, but it is Windows 10, so. So that will open my auto hotkey. Looks like this. Just opens like that. This just means the program is where the file is that it's opening. To open a file in auto hotkey, you just type auto hotkey U64 space and whatever file, wherever it is you're opening. That's how you open anything. You see I'm opening Notepad that way. There is no file that. So I press Alt this to open that. Alt Escape does nothing. Control Escape nothing. Alt Tab nothing. Alt F4 nothing. Now if you're in windowed mode gamer, you're going to need to put Alt space. It would look like this. There you go. Close the program. It's a new one. I can't press Alt space to close everything, which is what I usually do, so I don't like that. See? Can't close it. Alt space brings up this right there. Close stuff, Alt space, and then press C. I can't, well, I did turn that off actually. That could be why it crashed more. You know. While we're in the folder, we got tons of good programs. What am I looking for? That. Batch file will open my cleanup program. It won't find too much. Yeah, sure. Restart Explorer. Didn't do anything at all. Sometimes things in this others change. These two logs turn on and off. This was run when the OS was first tweaked. I like to do the disk cleanup once in a while. Also has a usable file explorer for when the Windows is broken. It's binary edited. We just fixed the constant calling of Windows to what's known as color something. Color preferences. And now our Windows does nothing, so there's nothing here. Services checks it itself once in a while. It looks like all the services that are off, to be honest. And here's like the basic ones. Your audio, your decom launch controls, darker anti-cheat, core messaging, worthless thing. I don't know, I'm here because I had a little bit of stuttering in the game. And I fixed that by turning off DX11 originally, but maybe that's not what caused it. So, and then it was underclocked on its own, which was goofy. What all that stuff is there for. Secure time limits. I don't have DNS cache on. And you don't need it. So DWM is trying to do some nasty stuff. Horrible, awful stuff. It's messing with my GPU. You can make DWM quieter, you'll never see it, but that's what it was going off. So DWM was constantly searching this key called color prevalence. If you see here, it's not doing anything. Here's the two known terminatable threads. Really can't mess with this one. Reader, see how it just went off? This one goes on and off. Looks like it controls what the mouse does. I honestly think that time critical for this is wrong. So if we just put that to normal, we should get some CPU back. Dark and Darker won't run without this program. But I can't run it right now because I just opened Process Monitor. Did you see all that shutdown stuff? Look at that, it's trying to find all types of stuff. User defined 10.3.3 not found. Auto end task. Okay, so we got some stuff missing. That would be added to a user's control panel. Pretty sure I can put these in and it will shut down right away. So let's just try that. That's how you find out hidden stuff. So it's HKU default. We also have it searching. You can see HKLM system. So it's the same places except one is what is being used. In the system hive, which is a user, just like that default or administrator, whoever, doesn't have those kind of things, so it's not going to search there for them. So it's still searching in places for stuff that we don't like have. You know, there's supposed to be a user here. Just has the stuff that comes with Windows, nothing more, nothing new. We find something that a user would have that we don't, we add it. So, control panel, desktop, user preferences mask, screensaver timeout, window arrangement active, that disables arrow. If it's in all caps, I did it. So you can see, like, go anywhere in Windows, there's going to be stuff I did. This is have auto. I'm in the wrong one. HKU default control panel. Desktop. Okay, so I thought it was actually finding that. Now, if it's like a yes or no question, like auto color, yes or no, it's going to be a D word. If it's something that will have like multiple things, like 1, 2, 3, or 4, big number, it'll be a string value, SC. If it's 1 or 0, it's usually a D word. Since it's the same length here, it's probably also more D words. Let's try 3. For that. Try 4 for that one. Now we got process terminate timeout system. In control key, process terminate timeout, probably a D word. Oh, there's a timeout there. Allow blocking apps at shutdown. Oh, what's the damn result? 0. And it looks for the Win logon in default. So we just find that the specific Win logon is an HKLM system, software, Microsoft Windows NT logon. So here's your actual Win logon. There's tons of stuff in there you'll never see anywhere else. I know the difference between this and that. So now you'll see a Win log on other places. So let's have a look at Windows is Win log. There is no win log out there. System. Software. Basically, where it's a win is MT. Could be one. Let's just look at this. Well, I'm pretty sure there's one. Okay, no, it's not in software Microsoft, it's just in software Windows. Make me search. That could be what the trick is right there, is that the system profile doesn't have that data there, so it never can actually log in. Enable arrow peak. Check. Okay, here's one. Have I wiped these yet? No. Changed on their own. Thing's nasty. IO completion port. I think so. I don't know what that is. Did all this, deleted all that stuff. Some stuff missing there. This keeps coming back. Nope, different one. Alright, so HKU default. Oh. Auto dial kit. Have that. Delete. Yeah, maybe that's why I can't find it. Because I usually see it in a user hive and I don't really have one. Now we got that. Just hit clear. Restart apps once. When it says new key, it's actually looking in what you just made. Restart apps is like open notepad when you come back, so it has to do a lot of crap before it shuts down. It has to like check stuff. That's not found there. Tired of this services thing. Let's hit check that again. It's found all those. It's found that. I just made it. Let's see if it works. Probably not. It's this damn program right here. It has to be this. 624. Okay. Gives you information when it looks at the SAM too. It's the administrator hive. It's not there in an actual group. Now it's having some real trouble. This is a rare log here. Log on UI did try to open again. Guess I got some stuff here. Search for these. Just go make it, disable it, whatever it was. Wants to know. Sometimes the default is on. WP apps use light theme. That looks rare. Okay. It went. You see that, buddy? I'll give you my Steam account with 15 years of immortal items if you can get a better latency than me. Wait till it's done. It's starting up. Oh yeah, look at that. I haven't run this in so long. It's doing some startup stuff. But that 3 there, that's what it's supposed to sit at. Okay, so let's do this. Wait, close process hacker. You can see what it's really doing. There you go. This is okay. That's Windows 10 stuff. I'd like to know what that is. It's probably network stuff. Maybe those are what's causing the spike and I got something missing. But this is Windows 7700 tier right there, if I could get it stable. Yeah, these spikes are unreal. Gotta see what that is. That's something it always searches. You know, maybe the program itself is causing a little lag. That's not a good sign. It's not doing anything. This is just what Procmon shows. It's crazy. Obviously the problem isn't something Windows does, but rather has running, and that's not a good sign. Could it be something like this, you know? Like, what is this? Okay. Turn off the crypt service. What's this one now? Core messaging register. Rockmon. DPC client. So we don't even got nothing running. We still got this crazy spike here. Looks like this right here. This one here. Messaging not doing nothing. I don't know what we can do to stop this one. Suspend that one, I guess. Suspend that one. Okay. It's one thing quiet. Let's see if it... Yep, still awful. I don't know, I have to test the game, really. Okay, the services is really annoying me. I don't know if that's it, though. Seems to have helped. Okay, we crashed the PC with that one. Wow. It's not happy. Dude, I don't know. Maybe it's just the new Windows. I don't think I have any hardware stuff. I have to check the, which ones are making latency. I can't do it. Use latency monitor. Be a dual monitor thing. There's no really telling why. I have lap mode. You can't play Dark and Darker with this program on, or having head run at all. I hope it isn't something like, you know, the user manager. Stop that. Stop this, stop that. I believe we can stop that since the monitor's already cloned. Stop GP service, profile service. It's this one. The baseline is just really low though. That's like Windows 7700 low. Windows 7, no matter how much I tweaked it, would never go under 5. Some of them would do 4. This is like Windows for cell phones quality input lag. So it's literally 0, you know? It's as fast as electrons can go right there. That spike though, really no telling what it is. You know, you can see what a whole program opening would do to it. So it's not like it's a whole program, obviously. Something that's already open. I don't think it's this. I went to this program though, and I turned this down because I don't think it's very important. SBC host crap, like, come on. might make the computer laggy, I don't know. All these threads are kind of calm. Threads there. Core messaging is down. Terminate the crypt service. Whichever one this is, just turn it all the way down. As soon as it goes off again. Bastard. Kind of insane lag. I don't know what that is. Maybe just take the local security authority here. Just turn its priority down to idle. IO very low. Doesn't seem to affect anything. I just don't think that's it. This is my file. What the hell's going on here? Who is administrators? Literally the computer. That's yeah. changed. That's not normal. Let's press Control A, select them all. About the services thing. Pretty sure that's what's lagging me. EXE there. Just the EXEs. Notice it search slow. It's because my hard drives aren't set to lag me while I play a game. I have no mouse wheel. Do that. See, now I can see that stuff. It's because my Windows doesn't do a lot at once. It's not allowed. Looks like it works now. Wish you need all those for it. Process hacker will tell you right here. Console log on everyone. Authenticate users, local. Still won't let me do anything to it. Restarting, I doubt it. It's because of its mandatory label. It can't be modified. I was opening it as the wrong thing. The system owns it. That's not the token it uses. Mess with all this stuff. As far as services, you know, we can never really do something with that. It's kind of insane. You can't get at it. Change permissions to this then. So look, you won't be able to change that. That's the first file Windows opens. This has to be done to the whole like drive before you can even do anything as like a guest, is what I am right now on my own computer. Never logged in. Turn it on using the files. They are games. So we'll see who owns it when I come back. If it even works. Lucky me. Says administrators opens it. Services is probably the same. Nothing added there. So it's using like a private token I have no access to. Protection light and TCP. It's the UI refreshes. And nothing in here. Wish we could restart it under like different token. Okay, let's see. you crash, I was testing to see if those files are supposed to. I'm not gonna log dark and darker, but you could. I think they care about reading Windows API calls to write a file. You're right to know what your computer does. The obligation. Usually after I do a full tweak, I play one game. Maybe trios. It's an ice cave. Got me a nice set. I always bring my dudes luck potions so they don't kill me because I'm red. Hey, I'm friendly. You have to crouch at your own team. What the hell? Was this intentional? Oh yeah, smoking weed, dude. Yeah, dude. Cool. Awesome. Oh, my bearded dudes. Which one am I? I'm the weaponsmith, I think. Although I have a more facial structure like the woodsman because of my German genetics. I fought the tavern master. Leathersmith was there. Almost got the nightmare zombie skin. Almost there. Just need some noobs to carry me to the treasure pile at Wyvern. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm playing trio. I'm trying to help people. I'm a rogue. Watch you die while you fall in the abyss laughing at you. No, I'm not like that. I carried a Brazilian, 5 games down to the abyss. Because if you want to know how to have fun in this game, make a new character and go play a level 1 game. There's like 3 monsters on the whole map. You'll never see another player or team. Especially in trios. Oh my god. They don't even know what a red name means. Every team will die in the abyss. You have to trick them into going down there, and they don't know how to get there. They're not jumping into their death. They think you're dead. They don't know, like, the symbol from death from went down level on your little nameplate. So if you jump down there, they're like, oh well, and they just like go about their business most of the time. But if you talk to them and get them to come down there, you gotta use your mic. They gotta believe you. They'll go down there and you tell them, don't go in front of me, skeletons are gonna slaughter you. and they'll run through the module and bait every monster just running and just die. And I swear, I resurrect this guy. He leaves as I'm resurrecting him. The other match I had to resurrect both teammates. They still like die, or I died, I don't remember. But basically if you take noobs down to the abyss, and it's the newbie game mode because you're level 1, it'll put you with noobs. Like no one's over level 20 in that whole lobby. It doesn't know if you're a pro or not, and I'm pro. I'm taking these noobs down to the ice abyss, and they just keep dying to everything. It was so fun. And then the one guy goes, "Will you play? I'm scared to play alone." And I heard the one talking. He's like, "You dropped something." And I like look and I'm like, "What?" Like right as we were going in the portal to get out, and he was serious because the goblin gave it all back. But you know, they like the ice abyss because it's less action. You always gotta bring a lot of potions. They ain't gonna have none. If you got some, you might save me. Get down to the abyss. But I'm on my pro account. I'll just make a different video where it shows the noobs, you know. I think that's a cool thing. If people saw that, you know, there's players that are helpful, like me. Kill every monster while they just run around opening chests the whole time. They don't have to swing once. It's called leeching. And it's usually in a role-playing game where you get XP, but here it's the same. Holy shit, that was laggy. Yeah, I did something bad to the GPU. Damn, I screwed my GPU up. I have to relaunch the game. So that's probably the DX11 problem. Also, that hard drive's loaded with crap, so it needs to be formatted. Just try it like that. You can verify that the program's opening that way, because you got all your commands right there. Leave that open if I gotta do some stuff. Usually I close Steam. There's no way to access the start menu, so it's gone. Get more frames. It's not even rendering like a pixel down here for the icon. I also turned some GPU scheduling changes, so I could have made Windows not even use the GPU. Or not know how to schedule it. Wish they'd let you view the process monitor while you're in the game. It's considered hacking, so you'd see how their anti-cheat worked if you were doing that. we had a good spawn too. You want to get to the hive right away, that way if you get in a fight, you just jump down. You know, they cater to the people that just want to survive. That's why they always mention risk-reward, because I want you to know you can get away rather than try and fight everyone. So you just saw the DX11. I pulled my torch out and it was lagged, so. I accidentally loaded the game in DirectX 11. I still feel a little stuttered. I think it's the garbage collection, to be honest. So in Unity Engine, all the stuff that you're not looking at gets removed. So the drive that it's doing it on, I don't know. So Radeon also has this thing where it makes the frames of, while I'm turning my mouse, that stuff you're not really seeing anyway, so it lowers the resolution while you're like turning. So it seemed like when I would do this, I would get like a slight stutter. And it only happened when players were on the screen, so could be a network thing. I might need a new network cable to get that chest up there. Long sword in here. It's probably worth 120. I'm literally getting owned. I feel like players are shooting me or something. Damn, these things never miss. Yep, there's a stutter right there. Ooh, that was almost it right there. Getting too greedy with the stabs. There's another chest down there. I'm under attack. Armor pendant and strength pendant in here. Nothing too good. Secret location is over here. You just gotta slightly fall off the edge here. Not too far. I do my best thinking down here. As a rogue, I watch who jumps down. And I'm like, well, I'll have to bring daggers and stuff based on what I just saw. Well, that guy looks like he had an axe, so I might even not want to fight him at all. I'll hide if I see a big axe guy. Jump in the pit. Yeah, there's places all over the wall to jump on. The secret smoke spot, brother. No one will find you down here. I like to shoot this guy first because he's annoying, but I only have one arrow. Spears are worth a lot. Yeah, we'll get all the chests. I'm gonna start with the basement. Definitely looks different down here. Watch the walls on my left. I've been ambushed! Take that ring, bud. Whoever gets it, gets it. Plus all legendary quickness ring in there. That's 1,000, 2,000, who knows. I already have one, otherwise I would take it. It's good in arena. If you're chasing wizards, just put that ring on, you'll catch them. watch out, the harpy up there. Don't want to wake her up yet. Yeah, just a little bit of stuttering. I don't know if it's the GPU setting. Your chest this way if we're fast. Yeah, if we're fast, we can get over here. Nice purple emerald in there. And I'll open the monkey door after we kill him through the door, because that's the best way to do it. Nice shot. Probably, Get this room, maybe? Find the lever. Oh yeah. So I hand her. Give it to the guy who did not get the orange ring. So if you got the orange ring, don't take it. And we're about done. Yeah, this is our room right here. Yeah, get that orange ring out of here. That thing's so expensive. I looked at how much they are. I'm like, I'm glad I found one. It's just something nice to have. It's not something you would want unless you're a druid. Alright. Traps and locks rogue. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the GPU cache drive needs all its stuff wiped. Right now, the game runs on its own drive that's new. So there's only Rust and Dota and this game on it. I think it's an Evo 870. Yeah, with the RAM that, you know, it could be having a problem with the older drive. Older SSD, even though it's an Evo as well. No, that's the new Barracuda Seagate SSD. It's loaded with crap. I should never did that to it, but I had a 1 terabyte. My work drive crashed and all my stuff. It still works. No meds. Damn. It's a crossbow. Crossbow. Throw the daggers. He's too focused on stabbing. Most people don't risk attacking while he shoots. Don't know why he has his armor on.